How to spot the next big investment before everyone else. What if the next big investment opportunity is right under your nose and you're about to miss it? Imagine knowing about Bitcoin before it hit $60,000, or buying Amazon when it was cheaper than a cup of coffee. The truth? These golden windows still exist, but most people are too distracted, too skeptical, or too late to act. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to spot the next big investment before the crowd, before your group chat starts talking about it, before it's trending on TikTok, before it's too late. The Journey 6 Strategies to Spot the Next Big Investment. 1. Follow the smart money, not the loud money. Ever notice how the loudest investment advice usually comes right before the crash? Here's the truth. Smart money whispers, dumb money shouts. Institutional investors, hedge funds, billionaires, they move in silence. They do the research. They read the fine print while the rest of us scroll TikTok. You crypto advice, it might be time to get out, or start asking him where his hedge fund is. But how do you actually track what the smart money is doing, even if you're just starting out? We'll get to that in just a moment. 2. Pay attention to trends, not just news. News tells you what happened. Trends tell you what's coming. Savvy investors look for long-term shifts in behavior. Remote work, not a fad. AI, not going away. Clean energy, becoming law. And here's the catch. By the time it's in the news, the insiders are already cashing out. Humorous touch. The news is like that one guy who shows up to the party just as everyone's leaving. Don't be that guy. So how do you catch trends before they go viral? That's where research meets instinct. 3. Follow the pain. Big problems equal big profits. Here's a secret. The next big investment will solve a painful problem. The bigger the pain, the bigger the potential reward. Think Uber with taxi frustration, Airbnb with overpriced hotels, Robinhood with complex investing. Fear trigger. If you're not looking where the pain is, you might miss the profit train entirely. Coming up, I'll show you how to validate whether a solution is hype or has real potential. 4. Look for asymmetrical opportunities. Not all investments are created equal. Some are asymmetrical, low risk, high reward. The trick? Finding them early. Think of it like betting $100 with a potential to win $10,000. If you lose $100. If you win, you change your life. Urgency trigger. These windows don't stay open long. Blink and it's gone. Ask the guy who laughed at Ethereum in 2016. But how do you separate these gold mines from the fool's gold? Let's dig into the next strategy. 5. Study underrated markets and mispriced assets. The biggest gains, often hiding in the most ignored places. That obscure SaaS startup, that piece of land outside a growing city, that emerging country building digital infrastructure. Most people ignore these because they're not sexy enough. But you're not most people, right? Humorous reset. If you ever hear someone say, "No one's talking about this," that's your cue to lean in, not scroll past. And finally, there's one powerful mindset shift that separates everyday investors from future millionaires. 6. Build conviction before the crowd arrives. The best investments require conviction. You need to believe when no one else does. That's how generational wealth is built. Warren Buffett says it best. Be greedy when others are fearful. But that takes guts, discipline, vision, fear, and excitement. If you wait for validation, you're already too late. But if you act with courage and clarity, you just might be early enough to win big. So now you're probably asking, how do I actually take action on all this? Let's bring it home. The Pay Off Your Action Plan. Here's your blueprint to spot the next big investment. Track what the smart money's doing quietly. Identify long-term trends, not just viral hype. Follow where the pain is, then find who's solving it. Look for asymmetrical bets with explosive upside. Explore mispriced, underrated markets. Build conviction before the spotlight hits. Motivational. Close every massive opportunity you've ever heard of. Someone spotted it early. They didn't have insider access. They had insight, curiosity, and a little bit of courage. That someone could be you. Or hey, you could wait until it's trending on Instagram. But let's be honest, that's not why you're here, right? If this video opened your eyes, don't just keep scrolling. Subscribe, hit the bell, and join a community of future millionaires who are ready to act before the masses. The next big thing is out there. The question is, will you see it first?